It's Fake Kills.
So today's video is going to be about styling your natural hair using an extension, and I'm going to use this crochet braid from Sister. As you can see, it just looks like this, and it's called Afro Bulk. Yeah, so it's Afro Bulk from Sister Hair Kenya, and I'm going to show you how to like style your natural hair using this as your extension. Yeah, so I've been getting a lot of questions from this certain picture I posted. So everyone was asking like, show us how you get to achieve that natural hair look, and also let us know how you get to do your gloss. Like, in short, the whole look is on demand. So yeah, so let's get to this video. So I have only done my foundations, and I put on the lashes before, because damn, putting lashes on camera is like a struggle. So yeah, apart from that, I'm going to like show you what I add on top of my foundation apart from doing my brows and the lashes. So let's get to this video. Let's start. So let's complete this makeup look. So what actually makes this my everyday makeup look, what stands out for this makeup look, is my eyes. Is for my everyday makeup look, I want to look simple and still look extra at the same time. So what I started doing is I use this Huda palette, then I use the shade either Kigali, Mogadishu, or Addis. So I think for today I'm going to go with, let me just make it more natural because I don't want to do too much. So if for your eyes, make sure you get a very nude color for your eyes, because you do not want to be too extra. So this is a look you can actually do when you're going to work, yeah, and if you're in a hurry. So you just do your foundation, your brows, and just your eyes. So this is like, it will give my eyes a little bit of color. So I've decided to use the Mogadishu shade. Yeah, so I just want my eyes to like pop a little bit. Like, I don't want them to look like they're dull or anything. So this is actually going to make my eyes Rose Leaf Super Delicately Wet eyeshadow. It has 48 colors. So what I loved about this eyeshadow is the colors are very pigmented. I just love how pigmented the colors are, and I've grown to love this color green specifically on this palette. So this is what I use on my tear duct, and then I'm just done with eyeshadow, nothing more I'm going to add. So I just do my tear duct, and you see, like, you guys can see the difference of how it's popping. This green is just everything. So after doing my tear duct, I use this eyeliner. So if you know me, you know I can't do without eyeliner. Like, I feel like my eyeliner brings out the look I want while doing my makeup. So while doing your eyeliner, start from the outer side. Just join this outer.
Make time, but every single time, girl, you ain't find some nagging shit. You want some nagging shit. Yeah, just being honest, babe. Some of your friends, they do want me, cause I treat you right, and they're feeding you with lies, yeah. They're feeding you with so much.
So I use my Davis eyeliner, so this is number 18. So I first first of all I start with the eyeliner. So from this specific palette, there's this specific color I love to use to highlight, and it is this color. I feel like it just brings out the melanin in me. Like it's like, go girl, your melanin is popping. So I like to highlight this part more than this other part. I'm just going to pass my over here. Then I'm like, so another thing, lining the lips makes your lips stand out and pop a little bit, and they are. So what I got to figure out is when you're doing your gloss, make sure your upper lip is actually more darker than your lower lip. So there's this nude lipstick, Huda Beauty lipstick. So also for everyone who's been asking me what gloss do you use, which lip gloss do you use, there's this lip gloss I have. Also it's from Dubai, like the name is just out, but if you want to buy this lip gloss and you go to Dubai or Dubai, just like you can screenshot this, then show them what you want. It's like just 50 shillings and it's amazing. When I tell you it's amazing, it's amazing. This is an amazing lip gloss. So what I do is I use this lip gloss on top to make it shiny, and it actually lasts long before it can, you can actually eat, do whatever, and it will just be there. Okay, I got you. You're done with our gloss. Yeah, so for my everyday makeup look, my essentials are the eyeshadow for my tear duct, and lip gloss, the eyeliner, and a nude lipstick. Any nude lipstick would do. So let us do the hair. So I'm going to brush it up. So what I like, what I do while doing my hair is I don't like using too much gel on my hair, because after that I wouldn't want to keep on washing my hair every time I use gel, and I don't like it when gel stays on my hair so much. But I use the Eco Styler gel for my hair. So what I do, I always make sure I brush out my hair until it lays down properly, so that I will not use a lot of gel on my hair. I'm going to use a little bit of it because it's actually laid down. What I'm going to use gel for is my edges and just making the front part more laid down. So I use this Eco Styler gel, the olive oil Eco Styler gel. So if you do not want to have the white flakes or the brown things on your hair, avoid moisturizing your hair with the olive oils or the coconut oils. I think you can do it after, but not before, because when they mix, it's bad news. It's bad news, guys. So I think what you can try is just use your Eco Styler gel by itself only. Then afterwards you can moisturize your hair with whichever oil you're going to use. So I'm going to hold my hair up. Yeah, so then that is when I use my gel, only mostly at the front, so that it can lay down pretty well, because you do not want to have an extension and your hair is actually lifted up at the front.
they talk about me, I want you to trust me. Nikupende for you, for you. Waste time, you waste time, listening to all those who waste time.
Okay, so guys, this is pretty much everything I use for my makeup look. So love this video, comment down below. If you want me to do more natural hair tutorials, also comment down below. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post more pictures of my natural hair looks over there. Yeah, till our next video. Mwah. Bye.